Paul from the UK. As a sufferer of arthritis and vertigo, traditional medication did not help. Feeling frustrated, I turned to Tai Chi and Qigong. To date, they have been the most effective exercise. I kickstart my day with Lohan patting, which gives me a focus and sense of well-being. My daily practice is gentle on the joints and muscles, helps with my breathing, and improves my dizziness and balance. Since Tai Chi and Qigong have helped me, my goal is to help others enjoy the same experience. Carla and Jim from California. The physical activity of Tai Chi is symbiotic with my daily practice of chanting. The Lotus teachings of the Buddha affirms the equality and dignity of all humanity. Through mindful practice and individual human revolution, we can change the world with our thoughts, words, and deeds. Marcus from the UK. People now talk about being in the flow. Where does that take us? What will we have to show? It's about being at one with all there is while staying connected to the grid. To truly learn Tai Chi, turn off the mind, the brain, and all thought, as if standing like a tree. Stay present, do not jump ahead. Become full of emptiness while radiating love. Kathleen from California. I have a balance disorder. Tai Chi helps maintain my balance while standing and walking. The movements also exercise the muscles that are sometimes underused due to the condition. My practice helps me stand without having to lean on anything, to do more yoga poses, and to take longer walks. Remember, it's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up